Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to set up a proxy in Janitor AI. So the first step is basically getting an API key. For me, I'm going to use OpenRouter. So go in a browser and type openrouter.ai. If you would like to create an account, if you don't have an account, you should find sign up at the top right. You can go and click on that. And from there, you can go and click on create key. So for me, I had here explore models. For you should find create key. Of course, here you can get an API key where you can create one right away by giving name, credit limit if you want to, reset limits, and expiration. So once you create your key as an example, so for me, let me just name it Janitor, because I created one, name it Janitor AI. Here you will get your API key, copy that. So keep in mind that please copy it now or write it down somewhere safe, because you will not be able to see it fully again. And you can use it with OpenAI compatible apps or your own code. So here you can find how you can do it on your own code. But for me, I'm not going through that. So you can go back to your Janitor AI, click on the three lines at the top right, and click on API settings, then click on proxy. Here you can go and click on new, and here you'll have to start giving up the name. So you can enter your name. As an example, you can type like my free DeepSeek as an example, or OpenAI, or whatever you want. So depending on the key that you got with which model. And of course here for the name or the model name, here make sure to type, let's just use DeepSeek as an example. So my free DeepSeek. And here's an example for the model. We're just going to type DeepSeek slash DeepSeek. So dash chat and dash v3 dash o 324 and 2.3. You'll have to type that exactly as it is. And of course, for the proxy URL, we would like to type https two dots, two slashes, open router .ai, of course, slash API slash v1 slash chat slash completion. So completion or completions, and this should be the proxy URL. Here for the API key, we'll have to enter Control V, and here you can add the custom prompt if you want to. You can leave it blank for now. If you want, you can do whatever custom prompt you want. So now you can go and click on add. And as you can see, it's saved. You can save that as well. And make sure to refresh your page. Once you refresh your page, congratulations, you did it. You can now chat with your bots using a brand new powerful AI. So enjoy your 50 free daily messages. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.